Hey there, thinking of living in Northwest Arkansas? This is Thad Skidmore with Flat Fee Realty. We're in Bella Vista again today, up here in the Highlands, if you've heard of the Highlands area. I'm at Branchwood Community Center. Branchwood's got a fitness center, in-ground pool, indoor pool, hot tub. They have racquetball underneath in the basement area. They also have a walking trail right behind me. Along with that walking trail, they have frisbee golf. I've never played it, heard it's a lot of fun. On the other side of Branchwood, they have pickleball, playground equipment. So there's a lot to do up here in the Highlands area. I don't know if if you're from out of state or out of town and you've been hearing about the Highlands, this is kind of where we're going to focus in today. So we're going to go look at a new construction. It's going to be our featured listing of the week. Hope you guys enjoy. Here's a picture of the pickleball courts. Right behind Branchwood. You also have a basketball area, and then I believe in between the basketball court and the pickleball courts, it's kind of like a shuffleboard with the sticks that you see I think on the cruises. But you've got pickleball, shuffleboard, basketball courts, and then you got a playground as well. And then inside Branchwood, you've got the fitness center, swimming pool, hot tub, racquetball courts. So a nice little setup up here at Branchwood Community Center. All right, the featured property of today, brand new construction, 58 Stoneykirk. You're just a hop, skip, and a jump from Branchwood Community Center that we were at earlier. So this one is a brand new one. We're gonna take a look. Let's get inside. All right, we're at 58 Stoneykirk. What's rare in Bella Vista is you've got a lot of rolling hills on the topography. This one's actually on a level lot. So that is kind of a bonus feature if you're looking for something level up in Bella Vista. This one is 2650 square feet, brand new construction. They did a really good job. They've got a little bit of everything. So as you come into 58 Stoneykirk, you have your formal dining. All the flooring, you've got ceramic tile, the wood look, and then you have some carpet, which is that, you'll see it, but it's that tight woven carpet. You got shiplap ceilings in the entryway, and then they kind of changed it up in the formal dining, running the 1x2s, a little bit thinner pieces. And then you have a office, or you could make this a bedroom downstairs. I believe you're gonna have 2 bedrooms down and 1 bedroom up with a bonus room also. But if you don't need to use this as a bedroom, this would be a great office. Look at the view out the front. A lot of natural light coming in. And then right off the bedroom or office, you've got your own bathroom. I love what they did there with the backsplash. It's different. You don't see that color scheme a lot. At least I haven't. And then you've got a little storage area, closet. And then right off the entry, you come into your living room. High arched ceilings. You've got built-ins. This is an actual wood burning fireplace if you're looking for that. And this one sets on almost 1/4 of an acre. So I don't know if you can see, but they've got sod and then they've grass seeded all the way back. You got covered patio we'll check out. Open concept with the kitchen living room. So when you're entertaining, everything's right there. And they've actually offered a refrigerator. I believe this one is priced out at $5.99, somewhere in there. We're doing an open house Sunday at 58 Stoneykirk. If you're gonna be in the area, come on by and meet me. Laundry room, and then you got your garage. So as you come in, the garage, laundry room, you got kids, or if you want to hang your work supplies right there, nice little shoe holder, and then books, jackets, backpack holder, electric stove, so this is a pantry right off the kitchen, and then you've got another little area you could either leave open or put another table if you're wanting to put a table here and a table in the formal dining. But while we're here, let's just check out the covered patio area. So they did kind of a cedar look on the ceiling, which is cool. Got some steps that go down, but check out how level this yard is. For Bella Vista, this is pretty darn level, because like I said, most of Bella Vista is rolling hills topography, and this is just a really cool deal. You're on a corner lot, so you're not going to have neighbors on one side. You've got a street over there. Again, this is going to be really close to the Branchwood Community Center, and also Loch Lomond. If you want to check it out, it's got fine dining there as well. So you've got a restaurant bar pretty close to you, and then you have your Branchwood Community Center that has everything to offer for fitness, swimming, pickleball, shuffleboard, basketball, walking trails. I think we saw a frisbee golf course there as well. Pretty high-end fixtures. They did the shiplap ceiling, tray ceilings. And then this is this carpet out. It's that, it's woven really tight. It's a really nice carpet they put in, the master. So your master also has a pitch. Basically, you know, you've got windows that you go to the backyard here. A lot of natural light coming in. And then we've got the master bathroom. So they did his and hers, or hers and hers, or his and his walk-in closets, which is kind of different. Everybody gets their own closet. I like it. You got your tub, soaker tub. You got dual sinks. Nice walk-in shower. And then this is your other walk-in closet. So the first one might be a little bit bigger, the closet space. Yeah, your first one's gonna be bigger. All right, let's go. So we've seen two of the bedrooms. We've seen the master and the guest. Again, this one's 2650 square feet, 58 Stoneykirk. I think this one's priced at just shy of 600,000. Brand new construction, ready to go. This is your bonus room. If you had some hobbies that you wanted to do, or if you wanted to put a little office space over here, and then have your man cave over here. You got your full bathroom upstairs as well. And then this is your third bedroom. This is where you put the kid that's loud up here. Has his own space, nice big walk-in closet. The one that gets to be a teenager and they don't want to be around their parents anymore, you can put them up here and see them when they're hungry. They'd come down for dinner. I'm only talking from firsthand experience. But hope you guys enjoyed this one. This one is 58 Stoneykirk.